So working on a Seiko 7548 gasket install. Just wanted to give a quick heads up for people in a similar situation. So the old gasket looks like this. I found that it's just the outer diameter is just a little bit smaller than the replacement. But what's difficult is that if you could see in that crown, there's a new gasket that I have installed. There's a little channel. So first I took the new gasket and I used some Seiko lube. And then I took my tweezers and I placed one end of the gasket inside that channel. And then slowly I went around with my screwdriver, which is there, while holding the other side and just putting the rest of the gasket inside. So as you can see, it's seated nicely. Now it's time to put the male stem into the threads right there, and I'm going to use some blue Loctite. Just make sure you don't use too much. That's probably a little bit much. So now that we put just a very tiny amount of thread lacquer on this male stem, just on the side. I don't know if you could see that, but it's super small, and it's just in the tip. The crown gasket is in. Actually, I'm going to use a vise for that. Just rip. So we got the crown in the vise. Just a tiny drop of Loctite on the threads. Now the moment of truth. it. Feeling slight resistance. Feels like it's in there. Yep, it's in there. So far we have crown with a new gasket, male stem with a very slight drop of Loctite. It's a medium strength, not permanent. So now that we have the male stem in, we're gonna put our female part, our spring, and the rust washer, which is often missing. Okay. I don't know if you could see, but there is a little channel. So there's the skinny side to the male stem. So you just need to make sure that this part slide over the skinny end. And then this little overhangs will kind of hang on to it. And then the washer will be in between the female stem and the spring and the male stem. Here's the skinny side. Washer. And female stem. And that's it. Right on. So as you could tell, we have female stem, washer, spring, male stem, new gasket. Crown is finished.